24-inch docking wheelchair effect display and usage tutorial. The seat can be entered and exited using a handle. Controller function introduction. Long press the right button, seat extends. The double linkage of the seat motor makes the operation smoother. When rotating out of the car or rotating back into the car, release the handle to stop. The right button turns red when the seat is at its lowest point. Retrieve and assemble the docking base from trunk compartment. Simple installation. Simply insert the quick-release lever and will simultaneously into mounting holes until seated. Position the docked base proximal to the mechanism for streamlined leveling. Engage brake levers on both wheelchair sides to secure position. 2 methods for docking base height adjustment. Handle up and down adjustment, docking wheel up and down adjustment. Recommended use. Handle adjustment is convenient and quick. Press and hold the up button to adjust the mechanism. Parallel state facilitates docking. Move the joystick until it reaches the horizontal position. Maintain a relatively parallel state for easy docking. This solution is slow to operate. Engage the wheelchair handbrake. Push until audible click confirms secure positioning. Press the button to unlock the buckle and transfer your family member to the docking wheelchair. Press and hold the down button to make the docking post and the docking port parallel to each other. Easy wheelchair separation. Disengage the wheelchair by pressing the lock latch forward. After the wheelchair is pushed out, there will be no bumps during use. Maintain recommended tire pressure through regular inflation checks during daily use. Adjustable seat armrests make changing seats easier. Backrest adjustable to 175. Ergonomically designed for optimal comfort. The headrest adjusts to 3 positions. Detachable footrest for space-saving storage. Extended telescopic footrest to meet different customer needs. Foldable footrest enables effortless seat transfers. Lift the black button behind the anti-tip bar to toggle locky unlock. The anti-tip bar prevents tipping on steep slopes or in reclined positions. When returning to the vehicle, docking the wheelchair adjacent to the mechanism to facilitate vertical adjustment. Press the descent button to level the mechanism with the docking plate. Release the brake levers. Push wheelchair inward until click confirms engagement. Use the up button on the remote control handle again to make the docking columns lightly higher. Then the docking wheel to release the gravity after the gravity transfer. Press and hold the unlock button to release the seat latch. Then transfer the passenger onto the device. Separate wheelchair from mechanism and stow in trunk compartment for transport. Press and hold the black button on the quick release lever to disengage. Detached base enables enhanced portability for carefree travels. 3-point seatbelt, enhanced safety protection for occupants. Press and hold the right handle button for effortless boarding. Heavy-duty 150 kilograms capacity. Upgraded midsize MPV cabins deliver enhanced occupant comfort. Handle-mounted vertical controls optimize seating clearance for diverse anthropometrics. Door interlock system. Seat extension button auto power off 30 seconds after door closure. Prevents battery drain. Auto activates handle upon door openings to resume mobility system operation. Mingao Mobility Systems, empowering free journeys for individuals with mobility challenges.